Hello dear students, let us continue with exercise 8.1. We have already worked out first two questions. Let us see the third question now. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? This can be done in two different ways. One is, first you find 72% of 25 and then subtract that from 25. Or else, if 72% are interested, what percent of students are not interested? So let us do it in both the ways. So let us write the steps now. Total students, total number of students is equal to 25. Now, percent of students interested in mathematics is 72. Okay. So, number of students interested is 72% of 25. 72% means 72 upon 100 of means multiply 25. So when you do cancellation, here 4 25s are 100. When you divide, 1 4 is 4, 32. 18 students are interested. Now, number of students not interested. Out of 25, if 18 students are interested, how many are not interested? 25 minus 18, that is equal to 7. The same thing can be done in an easy way, that is, out of 100, 72% means out of 100, 72 children like. That is 72% of students like. So, what percent of students don't like? So, you can write percent of students don't like or dislike. You see, if 72% like, then what percent don't like? 100 minus 72. That is 28% students don't like. So, number of students who dislike is equal to 28% of 25. Again, 25 fours are 4 sevens are. So, this question can be done in two different ways. In both the case, you will get same answer. The next question is, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? What is given here? How many matches they won? How many matches they won? 10 matches. And what is that percentage? It is 40% of the matches they have won. They have not given you the total number of matches, that we have to find out. So, whenever we don't know something, we take it as X. So, let the total matches played is equal to X. Number of matches won, is 10. Percentage of matches 1 is 40. That is 40% of total matches they won. Okay, that is equal to 10. 40% means 40 upon 100 of means multiply. Total matches X is equal to 10. From this we have to find out the value of X. How to find out? We already have learned from solving equation. X remains here 10. This 40 upon 100 will go to that side. So it will become 100 upon 40. So 0, 0 cancels. That is 10 fours are 40 and 4 25s are 100. So the total number of matches played were, therefore, total number of matches is equal to 25. That's all for today. In the next class, we will do the remaining questions. Thank you.